Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I'm working on my index cards and I pull out the one with X's. Maybe we'll see some at the end. I'm not sure. So I decided I wanted to go with another cute little animal. So I just decide to draw a rabbit out of my head. So needless to say, this rabbit's going to be a little bit funny shaped and a little chubby. I have drawn better rabbits, but yeah, it's got character. You know, it's fun when they're unique, right? Plus, I'm using the neon colors. I still feel like it looks a little Eastery. I should put something from Alice in Wonderland in there. I haven't. I thought about putting a clock around his neck, like a pocket watch. Or maybe just have him, he's kind of looking off to the side, have him looking at a playing card. That's an idea. Anyway, so I'm going in with some white paint. I think it's just white paint rather than gesso to block out my rabbit. And yes, he's a white rabbit. Just keep adding a little bit of layers. See, isn't he shaped funny? He's shaped funny. His ears, they might be different lengths if you actually measured. So how is everyone today? I hope you're all well. Hope things are going well for you where you are. Hopefully the weather's not too bad. I'm recording this a couple weeks in advance. It's a nice day today. It's starting to cool down. When I'm recording this in September, it'll probably air at the end of September or the beginning of October. So I'm trying to get them all, the voiceovers all done. So I can move on to something else. I haven't done any real art in a while and I'm itching to do something. I've been picking apples and making juice and dehydrating apple slices. And next will be the grapes. It's harvest time. At least for that stuff. The other stuff is past. But we have a few, I think we have 4 apple trees. And they are just loaded this year. So I decided my rabbit needed to be on some ground, so we're making some grass for him. Just using my favorite teal and yellow to get the green. I think I have a neon green. Or maybe I tossed it because it was old. I can't remember. Haven't seen it for a while. I've just been mixing my own. Can't remember. Did I put matte medium on the inky parts? I wasn't watching. I was chatting and not looking. Or maybe I'm just being careful so it doesn't smear. It looks a little smeary. Alright, so now we got our sky in. And he's got that one arm sticking out. Maybe he should be holding the watch in his arm. So I decided, I think about every one of mine have all three colors, so we might as well just add some pink in here. I add a little bit on the rabbit, and then I decide the sky needs a little bit of pink. Oh, maybe that comes later. I can't remember. Oh, I gave it my white. I decided to go around it with a marker just so that you can see my crazy little bunny rabbit. I kind of messed up on my outlining, so I've got to fix that, I think. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, right there. So if he is the white hare from Alice in Wonderland, he's not been running around in my imagination, I guess. He needs a little exercise. So I'm just using a regular graphite pencil to create some shadowing. Just blending it a little bit with my fingers so that it doesn't look so rough. Gave him some whiskers. Rabbits have, yeah, they have whiskers. Like I'm trying to remember. Sorry, I sit there staring at it for a while. Wasn't sure what I was doing next. Here's where I go in and give it make it a little pinkish sort of sunset happening. No, I'm not very chatty on this one, am I? I don't know. I'm at a loss of what to say. Just keep adding layers of color. Oh, and I decided this is a special bunny. Doesn't he look special? Anyways, I hope you liked it. I hope you liked my little bunny. Thank you all for watching. Have an awesome day.